the shotguns start at the break of dawn. First 30 boats tear loose, then the rest roll on. No more practice after Friday noon. Old fisher chums swear they'll hook a monster soon. But the young guns roll in with tech-heavy rigs, saying life scope's dialed in, we're hunting big Lakers. And don't keep your fish sitting in the live well, or the judges will give you that you know better yell. Only shore you can hit is 12 Mile Island, but don't stay long, baby, Duck Alley don't pay. Saturdays fishing from 8 to 4, Sundays 8 to 3, then we're done for sure. If the wind's at 30 clicks, you best behave, 'cause the derby crew might call a little delay. Now the lake's lit up like a sci-fi show, with live sonar beams sweeping down below. Old chums mutter, back in my day we guessed. The young guns grin, fish alive, says north-northwest. They're watching trout glide like ghosts on screen, every flick of a fin, every silver sheen. Drop it right there, someone hollers mid-cast, and the lure hits water like it's moving too fast. Dreaming about a 40-inch trout so stout, it'll pull your arm off before you pull it out. And when you snap those fish donkey picks, my friend, keep your hands clear or you'll lose an inch again. Past Mackenzie Point, kicking up waves big enough to shake the joint. Old chums holler, slow down, you pups. Young guns shout back, try keeping up. Friday night's coming with the boat parade at 7, where every LED light thinks it's heading to heaven. Then the rules meeting starts, no fuss, no tricks, followed by camera clean smoked fish contest. But nothing beats the volunteers. Cranberry portage folks earning all our cheers. They run this derby like a rodeo show, with sponsors helping keep the good times flow. It's a 2-day trout chasing, Ted blazing ride from 8 to 4, Saturday, Sunday, 3 we slide. Young guns smiling as their live scope hums, old chums swearing they almost had that one. Yeah, cranberry portage keeps the derby strong, and we'll be singing this country fishing song.